this is our replacement post. He's freshly cut. He is an ironbark post. We've got him 3 meters long, because we're going to have 1 meter of him in the ground and 2 meters out of the ground. And the first thing we're going to do in this process is we've got to take the bark off him. So by hitting the bark on that little bit of an angle with the sledgehammer, you can see it's loosened the bark up off the sapwood of this ironbark log. So what we've got to do now is we've got to roll him over 1/4 of a turn and do it again, then roll him over 1/4 of a turn, do it again until we've gotten the whole way around, and then this bark should just fall off. So after all that hammering, the bark should be pretty loose now, so we're going to lever it off with this crowbar. And here we've got our ironbark post ready to start marking out and ready to start working with. So we've got our ironbark post up on these other little stumps to use as a bit of a table. We're going to leave him dry out overnight because he's still really wet. And then first thing in the morning we'll be back here and we'll pencil him up, ready to carve him out.